Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. English learning OTT News now. Welcome to the story titled The Good Student. English learning practice. English language practice. So let's start our story. Julia. Julia is a girl and Julia is a good student. Julia is a good student. She excels at all subjects, but her education serves only one purpose: to gain entry into the Bright School. Bright is the most prestigious school in the country. Its alumni are destined to become the future leaders of Pakistan. Bright is the most prestigious school. Politicians, statesmen, and in some exceptional cases, matches only the brightest and the best get into the Bright School. Julia does not care about any of that. Julia does not care about any of that. She is not determined to get into Bright to further his prospects or better her career opportunities. Better her career opportunities. She has another reason to want to enter the Pakistan most famous school. Guys, this is a short story, so subscribe for more. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to press the bell icon, guys. I need your support. So don't forget to press the bell icon, like, share, comment, subscribe.